Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make complex tech tweaks simple and fun. Today, we're tackling something cool: how to change the icon of your recycle bin on your PC in 2025. This is a great way to personalize your desktop and make it uniquely yours. But before we dive in, a quick heads up: tinkering with system settings can be risky, so always back up your registry first. Let's get started. First, ensure you're on a Windows PC with administrative rights. This process works on most recent Windows versions, including those up to 2025. Step 1. Right-click on your desktop and select Personalize to open settings, but we'll actually need to edit the registry for this. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type regedit and hit Enter. This opens the registry editor. Think of it as the brain of your Windows system. Navigate to the following path: key_classes_root greater than CLSID greater than 645FF0405081B9F0800800A002F954E greater than default icon. Once you're there, double-click on the default value on the right side. In the value data field, you'll see the current path to the recycle bin icon. Replace it with the path to your new icon file. For example, if you have a custom icon saved as ccustomicon.ico, enter that path. Make sure the file is an ICO format for best results. After saving the changes, close the registry editor. Now, to apply the changes, restart Windows Explorer. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager, finding Windows Explorer under the Processes tab, right-clicking it, and selecting Restart. Voila! Your recycle bin icon should now be updated. If you run into any issues, double-check the path or try restarting your PC. Remember, always be cautious with registry edits to avoid any system problems. That's it for today's quick guide. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.